Hello. Okay, my buddy messaged me. I went out to get some food. I don't even know what time, say 5, 6, 7 o'clock. And I get this message saying Pittston restocked. So I go up to Pittston, and the line, seriously, there had to be like 15 people, and all of them had like a ton of stuff. There's a sign there that says 20 or less items, and the jerks will come there with 50 items, 60 items, 70 items, like inconsiderate pigs. And most of those people there won't, they won't tell them off. They won't tell them get lost. So I went there. I went to Pittston. I went to Taylor. Went to Dixon City, Target, and then I went to Tunkhannock. I figured I hadn't been to Tunkhannock in a couple weeks, so I figured I'd. Sure enough, they had Stadium Club up there, so it was good. All right, I'm going to continue. This will be video 5 from the series of videos that I did all day. It's like 2-something in the morning now. But I'll finish that up, and then I'll do the stuff from tonight. It was raining. It started raining when I was up either in Taylor or Dixon City. I think it was Taylor. Yeah, because I got all pissed. The jerks locked the one side. Just as I was going, I'm like, yo, man, my car's right there, and it's raining. And the dickhead wouldn't open up the door like a scumbag. Such jerks. I think that's where this one's from. Yeah, no, this is Pittston. Oh yeah, they didn't have. Well, they had cards there, but like I said, I wasn't going to wait in line. It was ridiculous. And they didn't have anything that good, and the only thing they had that was decent was Pokemon stuff, so I have tons of it, so. But they had this. I couldn't believe it. I've been looking for this one. This almost, I mean, I have Sloth, Chunk, Mikey, and now I got Data. But this Sloth is the wrong Sloth. It's the one that has like a hat with a bandana on it. But I have the Sloth holding the 2 cups, which is, I guess, a different series. These guys are such jerks, just making extra stuff. And then I got video games, $1 a piece. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's one. Multiple bag. That was Pittston. Then I went up. This is funny. They were getting rid of stuff. Opening day. I guess that's a blaster box. That's a Blaster Hockey Series 2. 3 opening day hanger boxes. And a French-Canadian hockey pack. Wow, opening day is cheap. $5.98, $5.98, $5.98 for the hangers. $9.98 for the blaster. Wow, that's what the prices should be. NHL card, $5.99. And blaster NHL, $19.98. Alright, no problem. That's good. I'll take it. That's good. I'll take that any day. Sorry. Okay, let's continue. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. Okay. Top Series 1. $2.98. Okay. Battle Styles. How do you go wrong with the Battle Styles? No matter if they're blue, red, black and gold, black and tan, whatever they are. The chiller purple. How do you go wrong? I'm going to guess these are 2020. Yeah. I was going to say, the other ones are white. These ones are like green, like greenish. Fluorescent yellow tops, greenish looking tops. Okay. Well, let's go. Time's a wasting. Right, another box, another bag bites the dust. For 2020 Heritage pack of tops and 2 ETB blue boxes. Battle Styles. I love the fact that Vivid Voltage is starting to come back. Okay, this had to be tonight, one of the rain places. It's all bagged up 16 times. Oh, this was Tunkhannock, I think. No, this had to be Dixon City. I think I needed him, so I grabbed him, and I wasn't 100% sure. And, yeah, this was definitely Dixon City because you're allowed 2 of anything. And I saw they had baseball, so I said, okay, I want those baseball packs. And I saw Green Lantern next to him, so I grabbed Green Lantern packs. So then I said, I want those light blue Chilling Rain packs. I could have got more stuff. But... And then I said, okay. And then she says, hey, what about these? And I said, yeah, I'll take it. She had 3 red coins. Fanpy, Morpeko, and I don't know. I think she had another Morpeko. But I don't know. Something's falling here. Something's being a scumbag. Oh, I forgot. So I went to go get this movie. Well, it's like 4 movies, and I never heard of one of them. And the guy was sitting there. I'm like, "Are you a movie buff? Do you like movies?" And he says, "Yeah." And I go, "Have you ever heard of any of these movies?" And he goes, "Yeah, I've heard of Trespass." And I was like, I might have heard of it, but I never saw a preview for it. I don't know anything about it. I said, I never heard of the Humanity Bureau. I never heard of Bad Lieutenant. No, I never heard of Stolen. And I said, I never heard of Bad Lieutenant, but Port of Call, New Orleans, which is Bad Lieutenant. I said, that might be. I might have heard of that. I wasn't 100% sure. And I said, screw it, I'll get it. I went up. It's supposed to be 4 movies for $7.50. I went up and I skipped it. And it was $2.50. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. And like I said, I got 3 or 4 bags here. I think with the movie I had brought a bag too, so I think it's 4 bags. But it was raining so bad. I mean, it was funny. And I went back to look for that Funko stuff. It started pouring so bad. It was ridiculous how bad it was pouring. I mean, like, you could hear it banging off the roof so bad. I think I happened to, okay. I went to Tunkhannock and I got, you know, I finally do it right and it falls down. I don't know. I think Stadium Club is good. I like Absolute. These are $19.98. Yep. Plus tax at $2.40. Went up to being $42.36 for 2 blasters. It's such a disgrace what they've done to this, to the hobby, charging this ridiculous prices. $19.98 for 2 crappy blaster boxes. Oh, yes. Finally. Oh. This should have been two mega boxes. This should have been 2 Top Series 2 mega boxes. And the find of the week. This is funny. This is the only lady up at the Big H that acts like a scumbag. And this is the second time she's been a scum to me. First time, very first time I ever went there, I said, I'm here for cards. And she said, of course you are. She rolled her eyes and shrugged it in like a miserable bitch and walked back towards the cards. I'm thinking, what the hell did I do to her? Well, this is the next time I seen her. She had this laying down flat, everything else up showing. She was trying to hide it. She was hiding it for one of her friends. And I said, oh, looks like you restocked. And she said, yeah, that lady was just here 30 minutes ago. You're the first person. You're the first customer since she came. I said, oh. And I said, well, I want that Prism box. And she goes, oh, the one that's laying down? I said, yeah. She goes, well, it's sort of smashed. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little bit, the box is nothing real bad. It's crunched a little bit right here. And I said, well, the cards will be fine. It's not a big deal. It looks perfect. Like, you wouldn't have known. I wouldn't have known until she said that, but I was so happy. And then she's like, oh, well, it's college. It's not pro. And I'm like, I don't care. It's Prism. I don't care. It's Prism. It's Prism. I said, it's the first time I've ever gotten a Prism box. I said, I thought to myself, I got 2 Prism UFCs that I had to scrap and fight for a couple times. But I got a couple basketball hangers, but they're not the same thing. This is a mega box. Prism mega box. I've gotten 2 or 3 Prism mega boxes for basketball. Okay, no big deal, but but this is the first time I've ever gotten a Prism for football. And she kept trying to tell, oh, it's smashed. Oh, it's laying down. Oh, I don't know if that's included. Oh, I said, I'll take it, whatever. Well, and the rule there is you get 2 of one and 1 of another. So that was the only Prism. So I said, I'll take the Prism. And then I'll take 2. I wasn't going to, but since she was being a jerk, trying to hide it, and, oh, it's college. It's not pro. Like, she was being a scumbag. And then when I took that, she got all pissed off. And she said, what are the other 2 things that you want? And I said, I want 2 of those big white boxes. And I pointed like, with 2 fingers. I pointed. But I said, I want those 2 boxes there. And she goes, well, I don't know if I could give them to you. I said, why not? She's like, well, they might be over $40.